Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how you can share your phone screen on your WhatsApp video call. Okay, let's start. First you need to call the person you are going to share with. Then you will see below icon in conversation. Clicking this icon will prompt you for a permission to share. Click Start Sharing for permission. Now I am calling one. See another screen, it's working. The person on other end can clearly see what you are drawing on your phone screen. It's very helpful feature. Don't forget to subscribe. See you another video. Thanks for watching.